Welcome to another exciting episode of Doug's Electronic Repair Bench.
Afternoon again, YouTube. I'm here with you on this dial plate. As you can see, I have the paper peeled off. I think you can make out the sticky stuff that's left behind there. I hope you can. And anyway, there's quite a bit of residue on there. I think I'm going to try some plain water first and see what that does, and then see if I can get a little bit better. I think you can see it there. Probably not seeing it so good because of that. Anyway, like I said, it's pretty visible that you can see. So let me try some water first, see what happens. So I'll get back with you. I'm back with you again. The water didn't do the trick, but I put a little dishwashing liquid on it, and it seems like that cut the sticky stuff off. So there's still a few places on there that I have to get on there. I'll get off, but I gotta try to rub the front of it, but I'm not really sure. Try to use some water, plain water on it, see what that does. But I got a little bit clean on top there where the rutting is not. So it's just like a smoked plastic, I guess is what you'd call it. So I think it'll clean up pretty good, I hope. So I'll bring you back again when I get it done. Good afternoon. I don't know. Yep, 12:30. Afternoon, YouTube. Back with you once again on this HFT 90 FM tuner. As you can see, I just put a little alcohol in here just to see what it did. It cleans it up pretty good. Really happy with that. I thought I'd try something on the rest of the just see what it does. Not I'm not saying. Basically, what I'm doing is just trying different things to see which works best. Thought I would try the same thing on this back of this chassis, see what it does. Basically, just put a little alcohol down, swab it around a little bit with this brush, just see what it does. I don't think it's going to get all the bad spots off, but it's obviously getting some of it off. A little bit abrasive, like the green scrubby pad or something like that probably would be better. I'm not real sure. This brush is this is almost a paintbrush type brush. I don't know why when I bought these I thought they were going to be a little stiffer than they are. But like I say, it just gives an idea of what cleans this, or what doesn't clean it, I should say. I've got that Totally Awesome over there. I may try some of that. Trying to get something that right now that I can just get on anything. I mean, if I get it on the electronics in a socket or whatever, it's not going to hurt anything. It just evaporates. So that's basically what I'm looking at, and I just want to do it a little bit and wipe it off and see what happens. See how well it cleans up. Doesn't look too bad. Like I said, the dark spots, I think they're going to have a little bit more. I have to have a little more aggressive, abrasive to it, I think, to get that off. I thought I could try the top of the IF cans. I think that'll clean up like the electrolytic did over there. Shoot, I'm going to let that soak a minute first. Alright, give me this thing here to see what we did here. Yeah. I think that comes off pretty good. And like I said, when you use alcohol won't hurt anything as far as the coils or whatever inside the can, and I think that's the best way to go for cleaning stuff like this. Now, some of that part right there could probably clean with a cleaner of some sort. Like I said, that Totally Awesome or something like that. Wouldn't hurt to mess with that, I don't think. And we'll take this, swab it off a little bit. Oh yeah, that cleans up real nice. Yeah, that is really nice. All right, let's put a little more on the. Let's do it this way. Set it up this way. I don't know how much you guys are actually getting of this, but you can see when I cleaned the top off, it just came down the side a little bit here. So clean that off a little bit. There we go. I don't think anything else will need to be done on these cans, especially because they clean up really nice. Oh, yeah. Oops. Very nice. Okay. Now that one, this one has writing on it. I kind of want to preserve that if I can, so I'll maybe not use the alcohol on that. Yeah, those tubes, they look brand new. I mean, other than being dirty from sitting. So, let's see. This here, I want to see what that looks like. Just alcohol on it. Swab it around a little bit. I don't think it's going to take much at all. It's just dust, if anything, on there. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Very nice. All right. Do a little bit of this on the outside of this and see what it looks like. I don't even know why I'm bothering with this. I'm going to take this apart. Got to restuff the actual electrolytics inside. I just want to see what it looks like when I clean it up a little bit. I used to do this with cars when I get them. I'd take an old car or something and just work on the finish a little bit with some rubbing compound or polishing compound or whatever, and see if it would polish up. Look pretty good. Of course, I never did get around to finishing. But yeah, oh yeah, that looks nice. That's nice. So I think what we got our clear path for at least part of this cleanup. Just alcohol will work wonders on it. Again, this is going to have to be taken apart and sanded or wire brushed or something, and then repainted. I think the sides are all right. Some alcohol should clean those up. But anywho, and the top looks good too. Take a little close up of that. You can see that cleaned up rather nice. Again, I'll take and that'll come out, and again with the transformer come out. If I can get this chassis on top cleaned as good as even as good as that back here, that's not too bad. But I think it'll be all right.